Have you ever wondered how you can start making money? I mean, really, even if you're starting from absolute zero? Well, today we're going to break down a simple, super practical, step-by-step guide to do exactly that. So let's just start with the big idea here. What if making money wasn't some kind of lottery? Not about luck at all. What if it was just a process, a series of steps that anyone, and yeah, that includes you, could actually learn and follow? The incredible thing about the world we live in is that the opportunity to earn is more accessible than it has ever been. It doesn't matter where you live, what your background is, or what your experience level is. The door is wide open. And that's exactly what we're doing here today. This is meant to be a straightforward, no-fluff guide. We're going to walk through the practical ways you can get started on your earning journey, one step at a time. Okay, let's get into it. Here's our 5-step blueprint. We'll kick things off with learning a valuable skill. Then we'll use that skill to solve a real problem. After that, we'll take it online, build up multiple income streams, and wrap up with the most crucial piece of the puzzle, consistency. So, step 1. This is the foundation, right? This is where everything else is built. Before you can earn a dime, you need to have something to offer. And that something is a valuable skill that people will actually pay for. And we're talking about skills that businesses and people are desperate for right now. Things like video editing, graphic design, writing content, or managing social media. And the best part? You can learn most of these online, a lot of the time for free. And I want you to think about the difference here. A job? Well, a job can be temporary. It might come and go. But a skill? That's yours forever. It becomes an asset that lets you create your own income instead of just depending on one boss.
It all boils down to this. Skills are the engine. They're what really truly create income from the ground up. Okay, on to step 2. Once you've got a skill, the next move is to apply it. See, you don't make money just by having a skill. You make money by using it to solve someone else's problem. To make money, you don't have to be famous. Not at all. You just need to be useful. So ask yourself this one simple but really powerful question. What problem can I solve for people with this skill that I have? Let's look at some real-world examples, just like these. A busy YouTuber needs amazing thumbnails to get clicks. A local shop needs help running their social media. A student needs clear, concise notes. If you can solve one of these everyday problems, people will happily pay you for it. Because that is the fundamental secret here. Real sustainable income, it doesn't come from chasing money. It comes from creating genuine value for other people. Which brings us right to step 3, start earning online. You've got the skill, you know what problem you're solving. Now it's time to connect with the people who actually need you.
And there are so many places to start that are perfect for beginners. You can check out freelancing websites, create a simple social media page to show off your work, join some relevant groups, or hey, even just reach out to your own network of friends and family. Now listen, this part is really important. At the beginning, do not obsess over making big money right away. Your first goal isn't to get rich. It's to learn, to get better at your skill with real-world feedback, and to get that all-important experience under your belt. And that brings us to the magic of a small number. That first $10 you earn, oh man, that's a huge milestone. It's not about the money, it's about the proof. It's that physical evidence that tells you, hey, I can actually do this. And once you've earned once, you know you can do it again. So once you have that first stream flowing, you can move on to a more advanced strategy in step 4, building multiple income streams. You see, financially savvy people almost never rely on just one source of income. Over time, you can start to slowly add new streams. This could be your core freelancing work, plus a little bit of affiliate marketing, maybe a small digital product, or even a YouTube channel. And down the road, this can even grow into investing. Think of it like this. Each stream might just be a small trickle by itself, but when you have a bunch of those trickles flowing together, they combine to create a really powerful river. And that's how you start to build real, solid financial stability. And that leads us to our final and, honestly, the most important step of them all. Step 5, the key is consistency. And here's the truth that, well, most people don't really like to hear.
Making money takes time. In the beginning, it is completely 100% normal to feel like you're just spinning your wheels. You might have no clients, no views on your stuff, no sales. This is just part of the process. Everybody goes through it.
And here's the way through it. The people who actually succeed are the ones who are patient. They make a commitment to learn something every day. They're always looking for ways to improve. And most importantly, they just keep going, especially when it feels tough. Always remember this. Success really doesn't happen overnight. It's a marathon, it's not a sprint, but it almost always comes to those who have the grit and the persistence to simply refuse to quit. So let's just redefine what money even is. It's not magic. It's not some mysterious thing. It's just a result. It's the natural outcome of a process. The process of learning, trying things, getting better, and genuinely helping other people. So if there is one single thing you take away from all of this, let it be this: shift your focus. Stop focusing on making money and start focusing on creating value. If you pour all your energy into becoming valuable to others, I promise you, the money will follow. So that's your call to action. Don't get overwhelmed by all this. Just start small. Pick one skill. Find one little problem you can solve. And then just stay consistent. This isn't the end of the road. It's the very beginning of your financial journey.